There is how to save draft TikTok videos without posting. Now click the profile icon at the bottom. Click this plus sign. Click upload. Now you choose your video. Now click next. Click on drafts to save it as a draft. Now it's saved to draft. Repeat the process again. Now as you can see, your draft is saved over here. Now click drafts. Click on the video. Now click save, which is at the top right corner. And now it's saving. Now it's officially saved to your gallery. Now click next. And now you can go to your gallery and you see that no watermark is on your video. Your video is as neat as no watermark, no TikTok watermark on your video. And then you can go and upload your video instead of wasting time on the process of removing the watermark from your TikTok video.